Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use a bubble air mattress. First, find a clean, level spot for your mattress, free from sharp objects. Unroll it completely, making sure there are no twists or kinks. Then, locate the inflation port, which is usually a large valve or a connection point for an external pump. Double-check that the valve is fully closed before you begin adding air. Now, let's inflate it. Many bubble air mattresses come with a built-in electric pump, making inflation quick and easy. If yours doesn't, use an external electric pump for best results. Inflate the mattress until it feels firm to the touch, but still has a slight give. Overinflating can stress the seams and potentially cause damage, so be careful not to make it too hard. Once inflated, you can fine-tune the firmness for your comfort. If it feels too hard, release a small amount of air until it's just right. For added comfort and hygiene, always cover your air mattress with a fitted sheet. This also helps protect the surface. When lying down, try to distribute your weight evenly to maintain the mattress's shape and support. When you're ready to pack up, open the main air valve to begin deflation. For faster results, some mattresses have a deflate setting on their pump. Once most of the air is out, roll the mattress tightly from one end to the other, pushing out any remaining air. Fold it neatly and store it in its original bag or a protective container in a cool, dry place, away from extreme temperatures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.